Can't subtract offset naive and offset aware datetimes. I have a timezone aware timestamps field in postgresql. When I pull data from the table, I then want to subtract the time right now so I can get its age. The problem I'm having is that both datetime.datetime.now and datetime.datetime.now seem to return timezone unaware timestamps, which results in me getting this error. Is there a way to avoid this, preferably without a third-party module being used? Edit. Thanks for the suggestions, however trying to adjust the timezone seems to give me errors. So I'm just going to use timezone unaware timestamps in PG and always insert using. That way all my timestamps are UTC by default, even though it's more annoying to do this.
Have you tried to remove the timezone awareness from this URL? May have to add timezone conversion as well. Edit. Please be aware the age of this answer. An answer involving adding the timezone info instead of removing it in Python 3 is below this URL.
The correct solution is to add the timezone info, for example, to get the current time as an aware datetime object in Python 3. On older Python versions, you could define the UTC-info object yourself, example from datetime docs. Then,
I know some people use Django specifically as an interface to abstract this type of database interaction. Django provides utilities that can be used for this. You do need to set up a basic Django settings infrastructure, even if you are just using this type of interface. In settings, you need to include use_tz equals true to get an aware datetime. By itself, this is probably nowhere near enough to motivate you to use Django as an interface, but there are many other perks. On the other hand, if you stumbled here because you were mangling your Django app, as I did, then perhaps this helps.
This is a very simple and clear solution, 2 lines of code. Conclusion: you must manage your datetime variables with the same time info.